Big news at JVN Hair. I'm introducing you to our latest product, Nourishing Shine Drops. We needed a gorgeous finishing styling oil, and that is exactly what Nourishing Shine Drops do. This oil gives you instant shine for all hair types. It gives you weightless moisture and nourishing protection. The smell is amazing. It has all these things in it. Our award-winning hemisqualane is again star of the show on our Nourishing Shine Drops. This is a gorgeous sugarcane-derived silicone alternative. Another ingredient that makes Nourishing Shine Drops a standout power player is hibiscus extract. Because hibiscus extract is an antioxidant, it helps to protect from damage. It also helps to protect from color fade. Love that story. Nourishing Shine Drops are a very versatile product that can be used throughout your styling process. If you're an air dry person, I would put it on at the end of your layering process on your hair. If you're someone who's blow drying or heat styling, I love to use it at the end. It's gonna give you that instant shine. It's gonna help to bring your style to life. Or whether you're someone who wears your hair stick straight, or you rock waves, or you rock kinky curls, if you have air dried hair or heat styled hair, Nourishing Shine Drops are going to take your style to the next level. I diffused my hair this morning, and now I wanna add some gorgeous shine with our Nourishing Shine Drops. And I am gonna just rub it in my hands a little. Gorgeous. And then I'm just going to scrunch it into my hair. Look at that shine. Ah, it's such a before and after. It's so major.